the 18th of August, the year of our Lord 2025. We are here very successfully having picked the forms for our president, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, the National Unity Platform Party president, the one leading, blazing, the enigma that has set the protest vote. Amadwado, amaduki from bo, barua West Nile, woro, amaduki from bo, anira, amanga, amavile voti di tambara, amakinga, Kyagulanyi opinini pei, amadu fomu dabo, akotibo vini, akotibo. One duchu, lutua, wando wagamu form, watika binu ki protest vote. Tumetoka tunaondoka leo. Nyinyi wajesi, nyinyi wote, from border to border. This is the time to redeem ourselves in practice. Women, children, elderly, the whole of Uganda. And we are going to demystify the lie, the continuous lie that NUP is only in Uganda. No. Elegu, I'm speaking to you people. Karamoja, Teso, Lango, Acholi, the whole of northern region and beyond, and the women. Here we are with the forms, and we have begun this trail of reclaiming our dignity, humanity, identity, and the Uganda that we want, the new Uganda. Thank you so much. Let's join this trail. We have put the first step. There was once a man who invented the locomotive and was telling the woman, his wife, that this thing is going to move. The wife was saying, sometimes we doubt a lot. That, this thing can't move. He says, no, it will move. So when it started, she said, will this stop? So it is now time for us to prove that this thing has started. It is a locomotive. It is the umbrella. That is our sign, our symbol. And we're in it together. That's why today, as women of Northern Region, having endorsed our president, we are here in person. Our default, Apoyo, Wachakoba, Yoling, Apoyo Mater.
Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
people power, our power,
People power.
Abanya-Uganda, erizoba n'izoba ry'omutaano ahabwo kuba twijaha okwakira forms za president witu omurungi Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Ako nakabonero akari kwereka ngu protest vote itwobwe twagitandika egi niyo shaha